Alright guys, real quick before we get started on the video, today's video is brought to you by Eshine. I would have it upside down. Alright, brought to you by Eshine. So these are the lights we're installing, guys. So I just really like these lights. I bought these, I paid $59.99. There will be an affiliate link down below. But let me tell you some of the features of this thing. These are hand activated. You just wave your hand under the sensor and all the lights will turn on. You do the same thing and it'll turn off again. It's real simple, wave on and off. And then if you hold your hand under the sensor, it'll go from bright to dim, and then from dim to bright. You can just pull your hand out whenever you're ready. It comes with two installation methods. So the first way is you can stick these little things, which is what we're gonna do, onto the underside of your cabinets. Nobody can see them. And it also comes with little screws that you can screw every single light panel onto. These are for the wires actually. It comes with also a strip of 3M double-sided tape for the lights, which we've had one on there for a couple months and it's been fine. That's just the fastest way to do it. That's the way that we're gonna do it. It also comes with 3.5-foot interconnect cables, the modular connectors, which are these, and then these little wire clips for your wires. So very easy to install. We're about to take care of it right now. Just wanted to let you guys know the kit that we're using. It's a 6-pack with, they're 7 inches long. They have a bunch of different kits of different lengths, and these are great for your kitchen, your garage, office, workshop, pantry, under the cabinet, and you know, just really wherever you can put them and you can plug them in. These are great, guys. So I'm gonna probably pick up some more of these and put them in the pantry over here, put them in the room in the cabinets that we have.
So we received the package with the lights a couple of months ago. I opened it that same day, but I went ahead and recorded. This is just everything that came with it: the power cord, the lights, the adapters, the cords to connect all the lights, and the little clips to hold up all the lights. And each light also has their 3M strip. All right, so we started the install by taping off under the cabinet where we're gonna drill a hole. All we used was a drill and a 1/2-inch drill bit to make this hole into the cabinet. Once the hole was ready, we plugged in our power cord and ran it through the hole. That way you cannot see the plugged in power supply. And then we put our oven back and we were ready to go.
Alright guys, we've got all our pieces laid out. This is where our first light is. And the most important part is going to be right here where this window is at, is making sure that this wire is long enough to get over there. So we're going to use another light right here. We're going to put it as close as possible right there so that this cord doesn't have to run very long over here, and we can make sure that we can make it across to the other side. We'll start with that. And it's real simple, guys. You take it out. Comes with your light and then your 3M strip, which you peel it and you stick it on your light. And again, we can go back and put the screws in if we want to. I have the screws. I might just go back and put them on after, but this is the fastest way that we're gonna get these up. Make sure that it's on there well. Alright, and then you'll take your light. We wanna make sure we have enough space for that, so we're gonna do that. That's it, guys. And if I do want to go back and put the screws in, it has the little holes right there. All right, so then this is where we're gonna take our extra tool, our hot glue gun. We're gonna put a little dab right there, let it cool down a little bit. Don't want to melt the wire. Alright guys, we got the most important part done. The wire was long enough. We got our wire run through the bottom. What I am gonna do is probably come back and paint this or cover it with something, just so you can't see all this black is not standing out as much. The one here you can't see as much from, unless you're looking at it from down here. From up here you can't really see. Got that down. We're gonna go ahead and put the rest of these lights up.
Just move out of my way. Reaching for the stars, always on the right roads. 사실었던 길이라도 그게 상관없지. Finna make it work.
Alright guys, next we're gonna put all the wires. The cool thing about this kit is if I decide later on that I do want to add a light on the cabinet on the far end, I can just go online, order the wire and another light, and they have it available on the website, and I don't have to go buy a completely different kit for that. Alright guys, and last we're just going to go through and add these little wire clips wherever we want to hold the wire up a little bit more. So same thing, these just have the 3M strip. Alright guys, last piece. Drum roll please. Hey. Sorry about the dirty dishes. That looks nice, doesn't it? That's cool. Alright guys, I'm a nerd. So, alright guys, that was it. That took about 30 minutes, 40 minutes with the piece that I had to do here. Of course, we got to come back and figure out a way to kind of hide these black wires. I'm thinking probably painting them just to match so they don't stand out as much is what's probably going to be the best. So, or putting some adhesive over them. Alright guys, sorry, it's kind of dim. I think I am going to have to order the light and the wire. Preferably, I think I might do one that runs all the way up through the cabinet over the ceiling and down. I think they have like a 12-foot one or something because it looks kind of wonky. I have one side. This part looks good. That part over there would look better if I had a light over there. You live and you learn. But alright, I'll get that ordered and I'll update you guys once I get that in. But there you go. That was easy guys. Took maybe, I don't know, I think I said 30-40 minutes. I didn't exactly count the time, but I know it's lunchtime now and before it wasn't. So check it out. The link will be down below. The Eshine kit. They have a bunch of different kits with different sizes. I know they have like these are 7-inch. They have 12 inches, different ones. So check them out guys. If you're needing some under the cabinet lighting or just any kind of lighting, check them out. It's a little dark in here. Okay.